Welcome to Bike Rider, your go-to channel for all things two-wheeler. Today we're diving into the much-talked-about 2025 Honda CBF1000F, a bike that attempts to blend sport tourer performance with everyday rider comfort. Design and ergonomics. The CBF1000F's design strikes a balance between aggressive and approachable. With a half-fairing and upright yet sporty riding position, it suits both longer rides and daily commutes. Seat height is around 795 mm, making the bike accessible to many riders. The structure appears modern, a diamond-type frame, 41 mm show a USD front fork and a ProLink rear suspension unit handling the chassis work. The styling takes cues from recent Honda Roadsters, giving it a strong presence without going full superbike. Engine and performance. Under the tank lies a liquid-cooled inline-four engine displacing 1,000 cubic centimeters, tuned for both power and usability. Spec sheets list roughly 122 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and about 103 Nm of torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Transmission is a 6-speed with a chain final drive, and the bike is built to hit a top speed of approximately 230 km per hour, 143 miles per hour. What that means in real-world terms, you'll have enough grunt for spirited rides, yet the mid-range focus makes it usable on slower roads too. Chassis, brakes and suspension. The front suspension features a Showa SFF BP fork with around 130 mm travel, while the rear gets a single-tube ProLink unit with about 140 mm travel. Braking is handled by twin 310 mm floating discs up front with 4-piston radial Nissan calipers, and a single 240 mm disc at the rear. The wheelbase is 1,455 mm and the bike is quoted at a curb weight of about 214 kg, 472 pounds. Overall, the chassis setup suggests a bike that is stable at speed, yet agile enough for twisty back roads. Electronics and practical features. Although full specs are still emerging, early reports suggest modern rider aids will be included. Multiple riding modes, traction control, perhaps even cornering ABS depending on region. For touring-friendly features you'll get things like an adjustable windscreen, ergonomic seating and practical usability. Fuel capacity isn't yet definitively confirmed, though earlier versions offered around 19 to 20 liters, giving decent range for sport touring use. Comfort, touring and everyday use. One of the key strengths of this model is its dual personality, at home in both the traffic of daily commuting and the long haul on open roads. The upright stance helps rider comfort, and the modern suspension means the bike can soak up undulations well. Compared to purpose-built sport bikes, the CBF1000F offers a more relaxed ride without losing excitement. That said, a 214 kg bike is still reasonably substantial, so for very low-speed maneuvers it's something to keep in mind. Who is it for? If you're a rider who wants one bike to do it all, weekend blasts, touring trips, and weekday errands, then this is a strong contender. If you lean more hardcore racing or track FOC,